Which deal is the market actually going to look to say, okay, this starts to set some precedent for us to see how the negotiations are going to go forward elsewhere? Oh yeah, and by the way, other countries are going to catch wind of the deals that are being made for some of the other counterparts that are waiting for tariffs to come off the table.
Yeah, there's a lot to untangle there, but I would start off obviously with Japan. And look, this is done incorrectly to start with, right? There's a big Canada approach and that little list that he showed everybody. We were thinking like rational, maybe 10% tariffs and kind of work from there, but instead 47%, 104%. It's just like, you might as well just, ban imports from China. I'd like to see a deal for Japan. I'm not sure that can happen or not, because at least that kind of solidifies Asia. The way to do this, though, obviously in hindsight, but it should have been thought about, is kind of moving up. The lowest hanging fruit would be, let's say, Argentina or Mexico or maybe one of our trading partners, and then eventually get to China. But instead, this big blast has really put us in a big way. So all the things that investors are feeling right now, unfortunately, they shouldn't really feel like this. But hey, 72% of Americans that voted for Trump own stock directly or indirectly, and they feel like just get passed along, especially Treasury Secretary's comments, Treasury Secretary comments like, "Oh, don't worry about it. You have to have some pain and so forth." They're furious. They really feel they got stabbed in the back. They did not ask for a world trade war out of this Trump administration 2.0. They wish they had Trump 1.0 is what I'm hearing.